Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. Are you trying to withdraw money from FanDuel to your Cash App but it's just not working? Don't worry, you're not alone. A lot of users face this issue and get confused. In this video, I'll explain all the common reasons why your withdrawal might be failing and more importantly, how you can fix it. So make sure to watch till the end for some easy solutions. We are here to discuss in detail the problems that occur while withdrawing an amount from FanDuel to Cash App. Although this article covers the compatibility between FanDuel and Cash App, if you scroll down to the bottom of the article, you will see a subheading titled Cash App Declining FanDuel, Reasons and Solutions. Under this subheading, you will find multiple issues that can occur during withdrawals from FanDuel to Cash App, along with their solutions. Let's go through each of them one by one. The first one they've mentioned is if your transaction is being declined on FanDuel when depositing or withdrawing using the Cash App card. There could be several reasons for this issue. It may be due to errors from both Cash App and FanDuel, such as Cash App verification issues, technical glitches in the Cash App, or FanDuel not accepting your payment method in its present state. Additionally, changing your Cash App card or selecting an alternative payment method, such as a FanDuel prepaid card, might help resolve the problem. After that, you can see a list of payment failure reasons along with their solutions. So, let's understand them one by one. Number 1. Cash App verification issues. Verification problems on Cash App can lead to transaction declines. Solution: contact customer support. Communicate with the customer support teams of both Cash App and FanDuel to resolve technical and verification issues. Number 2. Technical issues on Cash App. Glitches or technical problems within the Cash App platform may affect transactions. Solution: wait for technical resolutions. If it's a technical problem, be patient and wait for up to 24 hours for the issue to be resolved. Number 3. Payment method acceptance. FanDuel may not accept the current state of your payment method, leading to transaction issues. Solution: change Cash App card. Changing your Cash App card might help if the current one is facing compatibility issues. Number 4. Compatibility issues. FanDuel might not accept Cash App cards if they don't meet specific criteria. Solution: alternative payment method. Select an alternative payment method, such as a FanDuel prepaid card, to ensure FanDuel accepts the transaction. These were the main reasons, and their solutions explain why you might not be able to withdraw your amount from FanDuel to Cash App.